Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. Here's what we are looking at this Friday afternoon. We have stormy and cooler weather going on across much of the interior. We also have a bit of rain over the western areas, but it should become dry later on in the day, and it's going to be showery this weekend for the eastern parts of South Africa. Here's a look at our most recent satellite picture where we still have this band of storm clouds working its way towards the eastern areas. We also have rain-bearing clouds still blanketing much of the west coast, but mostly fine weather continues over the eastern parts of the country. So for the remainder of your Friday, we are going to stay with light rain in these areas highlighted here, but it should become dry by evening. Further inland, we are going to stay with isolated to scattered thunderstorms from the eastern areas of the Northern Cape, extending through the Free State into Gauteng, parts of Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal, and pushing down into parts of the Eastern Cape. It's going to be fine across much of Limpopo as well as along the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. Scattered thunderstorms are forecast this afternoon across much of the Free State and Northwest, as well as the eastern areas of the Northern Cape, extending down into the northern sections of the Eastern Cape. We are expecting between a 20 and 40% chance of rain and thunder showers where you see the lighter shades of blue. If you're in Johannesburg this afternoon, it's going to be partly cloudy for much of the day. However, we are expecting between a 20 and 40% chance of thunder showers by evening, and afternoon temperatures will make it to around 22 degrees. We are going to stay with moderate winds this afternoon around Richards Bay. Moderate winds are also forecast for much of northeastern South Africa. The rest of the country should experience mostly light winds blowing from a northwesterly direction. Southwesterlies are forecast for Port Elizabeth and East London, and a northerly breeze is expected around the Cape Peninsula. It's going to be pretty warm this afternoon for the easternmost parts of the country. Richards Bay and Mbombela reaching highs of around 29 degrees. Fairly comfortable in Gauteng, Pretoria. 24, 21 for the high in Mahikeng. It gets cooler as we go towards the central and western areas. Highs just around 17 for Bloemfontein and Uppington, a chilly 11 for Sutherland. Cape Town will manage a high of just 18, slightly warmer as we go towards the Eastern Cape, where mild temperatures are forecast in most areas. 27 for the high in Durban. We are going to see unsettled weather spreading eastwards on Saturday, with cooler afternoon temperatures forecast over the northeast, mostly clear skies. Return to western South Africa. Then on Sunday, we stay with passing showers across Gauteng, Limpopo, as well as parts of Mpumalanga. Light rain for Richards Bay and Durban. The western parts of the country will be mostly sunny, with temperatures warming up a touch. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your Friday.